who? Popeyes who? Hey my YouTube babies, it's your girl Brick, and today I will be making a Popeyes chicken sandwich, a little DIY. You understand what I'm trying to say? Because Popeyes, hey man, before I talk about Popeyes, let's get to the video. First you're gonna do is trim off your fat off your chicken breast, okay? Now let's get back to talking about Popeyes special sales. Y'all had one job, okay? Y'all had one job and one job only, and that is to sell effing chicken. I don't understand how y'all run out of chicken. I don't understand. Like, Chick-fil-A would never. Okay? They would absolutely never. So therefore, you got people like me that said F it, and you just gonna make your own because you know your girl know how to cook. So I just don't understand how y'all run out of chicken. And then y'all being petty AF and talking about BYOB, bring your own bun. What kind of Rent a Spoon morning episode is this? I don't understand. And then it ain't even the real chicken sandwich. It's the chicken strips. It's totally different. Anyways, y'all, back to the video. So what I'm doing right now, I am pounding my chicken breast. And you don't want to do them too thin because Popeyes chicken, they do got a little thickness to them. And I'm going to cut my chicken breast in half because those were some big chicken breasts. Okay? And before y'all come for me in these comments, I ran out of gloves. That's the only reason why I'm not wearing gloves, okay? And I did wash my hands every time I touch something. Before y'all come for me in these comments, okay? Okay, you guys, I'm getting my dry seasonings together. That is some smoked paprika. Now, I use 2 tablespoons of every seasoning that you guys are about to see me do, okay? That's some cayenne pepper. And let's just let it be known, in real life, I don't measure my seasonings, okay? That's some turmeric, okay? Black people don't measure their stuff. We don't. That's some garlic. I just wanted to let y'all know that. This is not real life. True tea. That's some accent salt. And I'm also going to use some regular salt. And some black pepper. And that's some slap your mama. I used the rest of what I had, you guys. Okay, you guys. I am going to divide those seasonings between the 2 bowls because I'm making one spicy and one regular. Okay? So y'all just keep watching. And y'all, rub your meat down. Make love to your meat. You know how I say, rub it down. You want them seasonings in your food. Okay, the guys, that's some buttermilk. And I'm just going to add some buttermilk. Okay? And that's some Louisiana hot sauce. You got to use Louisiana hot sauce. Okay? How y'all going to be making Popeyes and not using Louisiana? I don't understand. I don't get it. So I'm going to mix it together like so. Now for the spicy chicken, I did add more cayenne pepper because I want it to be spicy. I'm going to keep adding cayenne pepper. You guys will see in the video. And that's some paprika. Okay, you guys, you see how I didn't measure what I just put in there? That's what I mean. This is real life, okay? And I just added some more buttermilk because I had too much in the other bowl. And that's how it's going to look. Okay? As you guys can tell, one is more redder than the other. You can tell which one is spicy and which one is non-spicy. So you guys, I'm going to have this marinating in the refrigerator for 24 hours. Okay? I'm just going to put it in my refrigerator and let it marinate for 24 hours. That's it. Okay guys, it was the next day. And I'm going to add 2 cups of flour, a half a cup of cornstarch, a tablespoon of baking powder, and those are the same seasoning, you guys, that I added to the flour. And like I said, in real life, I would not be measuring this stuff. I'm doing this for y'all. Okay, and I'm going to add 2 eggs and some cayenne pepper, some paprika, and some hot sauce. And I'm going to add some honey mustard, which you guys will see later. And I did add a 3rd egg because this got really thick. So, anywho, there you go. As you guys see, I added some more cayenne pepper. You see how I was about to start just putting it in there, and then I got the measuring thing just for y'all. So I'm rubbing that cayenne pepper back in, and I'm about to flour my meat. So I just got that flour mixture, and I'm gonna put it in the egg yolks or the egg wash. So I'm gonna double bread them, you guys, and I'm just gonna shake the bowl. I need to get me one of them batter bowls, because this was a hot mess, literally hot ass mess, because I made it such a mess with this flour. So just keep mixing. That's for spicy chicken. Okay, you guys, I have some vegetable oil, and you know how we do. We get a little piece of the flour and put it in the thing, and if it's bubbling, I mean the oil is ready. The only thing I would change, I wish I had some peanut oil, because it doesn't burn as quickly, but I ain't have enough for all that. So I didn't want to spend my coins on that. So I cooked the chicken for about 10 minutes, and then I placed it in the oven on 350 to let it continue to cook. Okay, right here, guys, I am going to test my buns. I am using Mayo. I learned this from a YouTuber. I'll put the name of their YouTube on my screen. But instead of using butter or whatever, I use mayonnaise, and it came out perfect. And it's easier to spread. Won't you do it? So I just toast my buns. Okay, you guys, I'm about to make the sauce. All it is mayonnaise, some hot sauce, some cayenne pepper, some smoked paprika, some garlic powder, and pepper, and just mix that together. I didn't measure this. I put a tinge of this, a tinge of that, a tinge of this, a tinge of that, and I just made it to my liking. Okay, this is the same way I make my tartar sauce, and I add other stuff to my tartar sauce, of course. Shout out to my Aunt Regina, who taught me how to make that when I was a little girl. But this is basically how I make it. As you can see, I kept adding and kept tasting. I use more cayenne than anything. So now I'm just gonna build my sandwich. Y'all just watch. Popeyes who? Oh my God. I am shook. Okay, my YouTube babies, thank you so much for watching my video. This was the complete sandwich, complete look, and it was bomb.com. But if you like this video, please give me a thumbs up, like, subscribe, hit that notification bell so you don't miss an upload from me. Bye. Toodles. Mwah.